Hey everybody, I'm back and rock and rollin'. What is up? What? Here to talk about the Howling. The Howling, I'm gonna do a 3-part trilogy. 1, 2, and 3. Today, I'm gonna do 1. Love that movie, especially the transformation. That transformation was classic. One of my top 5 favorite werewolf movies. Silver Bullets number 1, then Dog Soldiers, then Howling, then well, there's more, but that is an awesome movie. I like the cast. I like the action in it. They were just classic. Just great stuff. I know people are going to say that werewolf was kind of corny and campy, but to me, I like the transformation. How it's just transformation, just classic. And oh yeah, Silver Bullet's my number 1 favorite werewolf movie. That movie was awesome, classic. Transformation, sweet. I like Everett, whatever his name is. I love him as the preacher. Never saw that coming. First time I watched it, never saw it coming. Great movie. Everett McGill, that's it. I think that's how to say his name, but I love it. I want to see another Howling movie, or I need some comments as what Howling movie was with a nurse getting a big scratch against her back, and it showed at the end her bare back with a scratch on it. I remember that when I was a kid. Need comment. Facebook me on comments at what one is that. It was just great stuff. Well, that's the end of this one. I'd see you tomorrow. Hopefully be there tomorrow. Gotta go. Have a nice night.